show you basically what you have to do and what you can do to plan your own routes. I would recommend you use the walking path if you want to get the gravel roads. So I'm not quite sure where we are here at the moment. There are some lakes, but this is a walking path. We are not allowed to cycle here, although nobody can see us right now. So I'm gonna jump on the bike now.
Yeah, it's not so easy with one hand, but we made it like a boss.
Can you see these rocks? I mean, I've cycled down here before, but I can't afford a flat now because I forgot to bring a tube. So I have something to fix a tire, but I don't really want to do that today. There on the screen you can see hopefully the turn-by-turn notifications. Like now it says like I have to turn left. This is what I'm talking about. Some nice gravel roads without cars. Nature, animals. Easy. Made it! Made it, guys! What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can use Ride with GPS to plan your cycling routes and to get the most out of gravel biking. Alright, and to make it a bit easier for you, so you don't have to watch through the camera, I'm gonna record the footage on the PC and I'm gonna show you basically what you have to do and what you can do to plan your own routes. You can see here I'm already into Ride with GPS, so I'm gonna just open a new tab so you can see how it looks like when you start it. So you have to make an account, but it's free of charge, so it doesn't cost you anything. Here, then when you logged in the dashboard, you can see all the routes that you have planned already and that you have been ridden already. And but the interesting part of this whole Ride with GPS is the route planner. So let's gonna go to route planner, and then I'm gonna show you how you can use it to plan the best gravel roads. I'm from Germany, as you know, and so we're gonna start at the location where I'm at and just gonna start a route. So when you put in here on the right, when you put in the location where you're at, then it will immediately put your starting point there. So, but you can just use it, you can just drag it along wherever you want to put it. So let's just put it here. And now if you were looking for gravel roads, first of all, here on the right you have the option to say, okay, cycling, driving, walking. And of course you can use cycling, but I would recommend you use the walking path if you want to get the gravel roads. So that's what we're going to do now. And also what we're going to look out for is some green areas like forest or something, or lakes like here. And you can see here there's even the national park. This is the iPhone National Park, you can see. Very beautiful spot. Now you can see here's the starting point, and this is where we want to be. So it's really simple. You can just look for roads and then pinpoint and click on it. And then 2 seconds later, it will immediately just pick a road, how you get there. So it would be 20.5 kilometers from where I am to this place, but I want to get a little bit closer to this lake and to this nice photo point. So what you can do then, if it doesn't quite fit where you want to go, just go on the track and then click on it, hold it, and then just drag it. No, okay. Let's see. This is how it works. So till here, and then I just want to go back, let's say. As I said, I'm looking out for green spots, green areas, and also very important, the routing. Just put it to walking, so you get a more likely chance that there will actually be some forest paths, some gravel paths where you can cycle your gravel bike to. It's really cool. You don't even have to hit a certain road. You can just drag it wherever you want, and then it will just, yeah, get you the quickest path there. So it's very nice. You can make the whole route a little bit shorter afterwards. So okay, let's finish this ride. You can just go back to the point where you started. Then you can see it just connected the road. And also here you can see the elevation gain of this route. So there are like few little hills, 1-2 hills. It's also nice that you know, okay, from point 10 kilometers there will be a little hill, the Donnerberg it's called here. So that's also very nice to keep in mind, just to plan your energy levels. And then when you're done and you're happy with your route, then you can go to save, bottom left, and then you just can name it. So how do I name it? Armin's gravel route. So, and then it said saved, so then you can send it to the device. So if you have a smartphone, then you can use that if you have the app. So there's also an app with Ride with GPS, and you can just send it to your smartphone. But I'm using the Garmin Edge 520. Let me just quickly turn on the camera once more. What's also really cool is that you can export it as a TCX file, and that will give you turn-by-turn notifications when you're on the road, which is really cool. So you don't have to constantly look on your smartphone or on your Garmin Edge, because yeah, you don't have to look for where you have to go. You can just ride, and then the Garmin will actually notify you with a beep, and also with a little graphic, turn right, turn left. So it's also really nice, which makes the riding a lot easier. Alright, so then you can click on it, export TCX file. We're gonna download the TCX file on the computer, just save. It's here in my downloads folder. And then I'm just gonna drag it on the Garmin Edge folder. Yeah, I think it's the new files folder, where all the trainings and all the courses are in. And then you can just go.
There we go. Okay, it's German now. I'm sorry for that, but so you can just go to the menu with clicking the down button here, and then you go to training. That's where all the courses are, like this. And then you go to courses, checking in German, and then you can see all the courses right here. So let's just put this one, and then the Garmin will just load it.
Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. All right, now that that is done, I can't wait to get outside and actually see what the path is looking like. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And now I'm gonna get out. I have to decide which bike I'm gonna go for. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, then please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel to see plenty more bicycle content and tips and tricks and whatnot. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will catch you for the next video very soon. Peace out for now. Bye.